Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're going to be doing something a little bit different than we've been doing recently, but this is actually something I used to do a lot prior to actually doing the rebuild. Now I used to do a lot of detailing back in the day, and today that's what we're going to go ahead and do. We have a 2010 Camaro SS, which has never been detailed the right way actually. I mean, we've done a couple, polishes here and there, but it wasn't actually anything more of a professional level. Now today we're gonna go ahead and actually try to clear some of this up. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how bad it is. But again, this is a 2010 SS and it has not really been detailed, and it's 2019, so that's 9 years of basically imperfections that have accumulated. So let's go ahead and check it out. Alrighty, so here we have it. Now, as you guys can actually see, it's kind of difficult to see on the camera, but I hope you guys can see it. There's just a bunch of swirl marks everywhere. Now again, this car has not been actually detailed properly. I mean, I've done a couple quick waxes on it previously, but this is going to be the first time we actually hit it with a nice cup compound and a final polish compound. So we're going to go ahead and try to get this to look as best as we can do it. I'm going to go ahead and wash it up, give it a nice proper wash, and then mask off anything that we don't want to get the wax on, and we'll see what we can do to this. Alright guys, quick plug-in. We're using the Chemical Guys blower here. I actually have a review video if you guys actually want to check it out. I highly recommend for crevices and the wheels. It actually speeds things up really fast. So go ahead and check that out if you guys have time, or after this video or whatever. Just check it out. So without further ado, let's go ahead and finish drying this baby up. Alright guys, so currently we have the car completely taped off. It's nice and clean and washed. So I'm going to go ahead and wait on actually getting the wax on right now. I'm going to go ahead and grab some grub before we even get started, because once I get started, I kind of get in that zone and I don't want to stop until I'm done. So for sure, I'm going to go ahead and get some grub. I'm going to get some grub for the family as well. So I'm going to go ahead and see you guys in a bit. So clean.
F-150.
Alright guys, so now we're finally done eating. We're gonna go ahead and get started. Now let me go ahead and show you what we're talking about. Now that the car's actually washed, I can actually show you guys the imperfections that this vehicle actually has. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, it's not like crazy bad, but it is pretty bad when you see all the swirl marks and scratches all over it. Now this is all over the vehicle itself, but again, I mean, this is 9 years of not having a detail, so to be honest with you, I would expect a lot worse. But for right now, what we're gonna go ahead and do is, I have my clay bar right now. I'm gonna go ahead and clay bar this real quick, and then we're gonna go ahead and get a nice cutting compound, and then throw a nice little finish compound. All the wax is actually gonna be used from Chemical Guys. Alright guys, so right now is going to be the cutting polish right here. We're using the Chemical Guys Optic grade cutting polish. After that one, we're gonna go ahead and hit with the beautiful polish right here that Chemical Guys also offers. As well as, in case it's actually bad, I do have another swirl and scratch remover from Chemical Guys as well, so I'll go ahead and see if we need that one afterwards. Alright, so first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and spread it out real quick, and then I'll go ahead and actually put it in. I am using a cutting pad as well, and then I'll switch over to a nice finishing pad afterwards. So let's go ahead and rub this in real quick. Alright guys, so this is the first hit with the cutting polish. Now you guys can see the difference. And this is without it actually being hit with anything. See if I get, there you go. And then show you the done one. Now I'm gonna go ahead and actually hit it with a scratch and swirl remover as well on top of the cutting one. And then we'll hit it with the final polish and we'll see the difference. Alright guys, so this is what we just did right now, which is the scratch and swirl remover. And then we have this one that we actually haven't touched yet. And I'm gonna go ahead and say it's a big difference, obviously. Now we're still gonna go ahead and hit it with another final polish on it, and then I'll get back to you guys once we do that one. Alright guys, so this is what we have right now with the final polish on it. You can definitely see the difference. It literally looks like a mirror. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try to show you with the light again, but honestly, because the reflection is so good that the actual light itself is blinding the camera and it's making it unfocused. So I'm gonna try to show you guys. Basically, yeah, it took away the scratch, it took away the swirl marks. I'm gonna go ahead and do another wipe down right now and probably do another final polish hit, but you can go ahead and see the difference over here. And then trying to look at over here. Again, it basically removed almost all of it. There's still a couple of scratches, you know. Again, this is a 9-year-old car, so you're not gonna get everything, but it is, I will say, it took off about 80% of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and do another final polish and see if we can get a better reflection out of it. Alright guys, so now we just did a second finish polish on it, and you can go ahead and see the difference. Again, it's just gonna get a little bit better over, you know, over each time you go over it. Now again, let's go ahead and show you the side we actually haven't done. Again, it's just pretty bad. You can actually see it better over here. This is all the stuff we haven't done. But then you look over here and you see the huge difference that we have going on right here. Alright guys, so now that you've seen step by step, we're gonna go ahead and finish up the whole entire Camaro. Now again, it looks good for far away, but you know, every time we get close, you're gonna see all those scratches and oxidation and everything on there. Again, 9 years of not being properly detailed, so we're gonna go ahead and try to make this car look as good as new, and we're gonna do our best. We're about to hit 5 o'clock. It's actually 4:59 right now, and hopefully when we finish, there's still sun outside so we can show you that good reflection. But without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get this car done, and I'll go ahead and show you guys a nice little time lapse while we do it.
Smile more when you come back. Smile more when I see you. Smile more when the sun shines bright. Believe me, I need you. Smile more when you blow me up. Smile more when I see your face. Smile more when I feel love. Smile less when I need to let go. Let go. Smile less when I let go. But you know he ends me. Say a weekend and the weekend, never stress a thing. And we gon' go another day when we don't disagree. And when the sun shining, regardless if you do believe. Hey, still awaken in the morning when I see your face. Need you more when you go, I need you more every day. Keep a foot on the brake in case I lose all control. Yeah, so baby, don't lose control. I'm focused on you, baby. Lately you've been in my aim. I've been reaching out for you and still they're so far away. Looking through the smoke in the mirror. Crazy how I see you so clear. Crazy how I see you so clear. And how you make me smile. And how you make me smile. Oh yeah. And how you make me smile. Oh baby, how you make me smile. Smile more when I see you.
Alright guys, so as you guys saw, we pulled the Camaro out. It's looking nice and beautiful, but unfortunately the sun is gone. So we're gonna go ahead and wait until tomorrow. So we'll see you guys tomorrow when we see this baby in the sun shining. Alright guys, so it's the next day, so we're gonna go ahead and pull out this beast and let's see how it shines in the sun. So let's see if we missed any spots. Hopefully we didn't, as far as like wiping off the excess wax. But let's go ahead and check it out. Alright guys, so here we have it. It looks beautiful, reflection looks good all around. Look at those nittos, nittos are looking good too. Man, honestly I just love this Camaro sometimes, especially when it's done right like this. It's looking good, looking real good. So I mean, again, this took about four layers of it. We did the cutting, we did the scratch and swirl remover, and then we went ahead and did the final polish twice on it to give it that extra shine, as well as we detail the inside, but that's a whole different story. But it looks good, it looks real good. So I'm gonna go ahead and basically end it here. Alright guys, so as you guys seen, it looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. If you made it this long, thanks for watching. Go ahead and check out any other videos I have, especially on the rebuilds. But without further ado, I'll go ahead and see you guys in the next video. Peace out guys, thanks for watching.